What's going on, guys? Pat from ProView Toys. I just got a new toy in the mail. This is the Coast HP17 flashlight combo with Pro Predator lockback knife. So I'm going to open this up. Now we have the flashlight. This thing looks amazing as far as in the box. It looks awesome. Look at it. Nice little logo here. Very high quality box. Wow, this looks awesome. So this is what it looks like in the box. Comes with 3D batteries, Duracell. Okay. And the flashlight. Wow. This thing looks awesome. I don't even know what to say. I'm in shock right now. It's so cool looking. So this thing has 615 lumens. I mean, this thing's like a hand cannon, seriously. So it's got a whole bunch of options here. You could do a flood beam, you could do a bullseye spot. It's got fingertip speed focus. It's got quick cycle switch, high to strobe and low. In high output, this does 615 lumens. It can last for 15 hours and 15 minutes. And it goes up to a distance of 269 meters. In a low beam, this is 64 lumens. It's got 51 hours and 15 minute runtime. And it goes up to 47 meters. I mean, this thing is just a straight up beast. I mean, you can see how big it is in my hand. I mean, that's what she said, for real. This thing's got its logo, the Coast HP17. It's got a hole here I see for some paracord. Okay, I'm going to probably wrap this, maybe some paracord, just in case you ever need some rope. It's got a sliding focus. It's got a lock and unlock feature. So now I just unlocked it, and yep, you can do that with one finger. That's awesome. And you can lock it in place. You can see inside the LED. I mean, this thing's amazing. I'm going to put the batteries in and see what this bad boy can do. I'll be right back. Alright, so this has a D-ring inside, so it's weather resistant. Oh, this thing lights up the room, baby. This thing is crazy. This is the strobe. This is the low. This is the high beam. I'm going to unlock it and focus. Nice. And 3D batteries inside. You could do some damage if you need to smack someone in the face with this thing, seriously. Whether it be human, zombie, a guard dog, your mother-in-law, just playing. So, this is great. Very cool. This is the Coast HP17. Get yourself one. You won't go wrong. This is Pat from ProView Toys signing out. Okay, so this is the knife. It's like a standard knife. One-handed opening. I'm not sure if this is spring assisted. It's got a lifetime guarantee. Again, it comes with the free Coast LED flashlight offer. So this is the 400 series, stainless steel blade, ambidextrous opening, liner lock for safety. It's got a pocket clip. Okay, so I'm going to open that later. So as far as the knife goes, I got so excited that I totally forgot about it. But you know, the Coast, everything I've bought so far I really like. It seems like just really high quality stuff, and the price is just really great. You know, budget friendly, and I'm a big fan. Now, as far as this lockback Tuff-Task knife goes, I'm gonna just keep it the way it is. I'm not gonna open it up. I think I might just give it to someone as a gift, and I would be proud to give this to somebody that I like, you know. So I'm gonna keep this in the package. I don't need to make a review on this just because I know it's probably a great knife and it's gonna come super sharp right out of the box, and that's it. So didn't want to leave this out, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for coming through.